we're going to break this down some more because just hearing those words, you really like it doesn't tell us everything. But let us break this down even more for you. So, Jill, would you share with us on this next slide? Would you talk about this for a second?
Yes. So treeing has three main categories that, when done well, work together. So first, our number one category is look. What do you want your website to look like? Now, this is what you want it to look like. Then number two is feel. So it's what do you want your visitors to feel when they come across your website while they're viewing it? What are those feelings that you want to evoke with how it looks and how it works? And the third category is access. So what is bringing you and your visitors together? And we'll go deeper into those three categories next.
Thank you, Jill. And I think it's really important to just put this out here. You won't have all these answers instantly, and this can evolve. Don't be like upset if it takes you a little bit to figure these things out. Everybody takes a while to learn this. We just want to make it easier as you're going along and remind you that evolving is how a website works. You start somewhere and then you evolve into better and better. So, our next slide